I am a magician. Let's learn how to draw something and with some magic, make it move. Are you ready, my friends? Let's do it. Hello, friends. I recently saw a beautiful bird in the woods. I'd like to draw it for you and help it build its new nest in a tree. Let me introduce you to the woodpecker. I will color the tree with green with some shade, and the woodpecker will be black and white with blue eyes and yellow beak. Well done, my friends. It is magic time now to help him speeding up making a new nest. Say with me, my friends, abracadabra. That is all for now, my friends. Do not forget to subscribe in my channel to watch more of my magic. Goodbye, my friends.